Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to pause YouTube search history on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you and I will find your profile in the bottom right corner, or you'll have it in the top right corner. Click on that. You'll find Settings. Open it up. Manage all history. Google account opens up. You have to wait a little while for it to load. Now here we click on saving your YouTube history. And then here we click turn off. Scroll down. And then we have to press pause. After that we can pause our YouTube search history. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye.